Hi children, welcome you all to this session. Today we are going to start with the new exercise 1F. We are going to fully write only in your textbook. We are not going to write anything in your fair note today. Okay, so exercise 1F, you can take page number 25 in your textbook and a pencil. Okay children? Today we are going to discuss exercise 1F. Okay, exercise 1F, you can take page number 25. You can write your answers in your textbook itself. Okay children, so what you're just doing is you can take a pencil and you can start writing the answers whenever I am saying. Okay, so what is the first question? Match the following. So what is the question? Match the following. We are going to match these numbers. So what is this number called as? Hindu-Arabic numerals. What is this number called as? Roman numerals. So what you are going to do is, you are going to match the Hindu-Arabic numeral to its according Roman numerals. Okay, I am just going to match the Hindu-Arabic numerals to its corresponding it's Roman numerals. You're just going to match it. Okay, before going to match everything, shall we write the Hindu-Arabic numeral for this Roman numerals? Then we can easily match it, right? Yes. So shall we start? 10, 10, 10, V. So sorry, X, 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 V. So X stands for 10. X stands for 10. Then another X stands for 10. V stands for 5. So actually what it is a meaning? Greater number after that smaller number. So greater number after that smaller number comes, what you will do usually, you will add it. Okay, always keep it in your mind. When it comes in descending order, you will add it. 10, 10, 10, 5. So greater number first it comes, then smaller number. So what you should do, you should add it. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5, 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 5, 35. So answer of this Roman numeral is 35. Next, X, V, I. Okay, so X stands for 10. V stands for 5. I stands for 1. I stands for 1. I stands for 1. These all things should be written in your textbook. Okay, so 10. 5, 1, 1, 1. So this is also greatest to smallest. So what I told you, greatest to smallest mean just added 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. 16 plus 1, 17. 17 plus 1, 18. So what is the answer for XVIII? 18. Next, X. So X stands for 10. X stands for 10. So what it will be, how we will write it? 10 plus 10 equal to 20. So answer is 20. Next, XVI. So shall I write the answer? X stands for 10. X stands for 10. V stands for 5. I stands for 1. I stands for 1. This is in what order? It is in descending order. So 10, 10, 5, 1, 1. So how we will write? 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. 25 plus 1, 26. 26 plus 1, 27. So 27 is the answer for XXVII. Okay, next, IX. I stands for 1. X stands for 10. So all this is in the descending order. So just we have added it. But here small number comes first, larger number comes second. So what you should do? You should subtract greater number minus smaller number. Okay, 10 minus 1, 9. Listen carefully. If smaller number comes first and greater number comes second, what you will do? You will subtract 10 minus 1, which means greater number minus smaller number you will subtract and write the answer. Now XV, X stands for 10, V stands for 5. So this is in descending order. So what you will write? 10 plus 5, 15. Next, XII, X stands for 10, I stands for 1, I stands for 1. So 10 plus 1 plus 1, 12, because greater than smallest. Next, XXVII, X stands for 10, X stands for 10, V stands for 5, I stands for 1, I stands for 1. So 10, this is in descending order. So 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. 25 plus 1, 26. 26 plus 1, 27. Okay, children? Children, here XXVII. Upper one more 1 will come here. So here plus one more 1. So 27 plus 1, 28. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. 25 plus 1, 26. 26 plus 1, 27. 27 plus 1, 28. So this is what the Hindu-Arabic numerals which we got for this Roman numerals. Now can we match it? Yes. First 9. Where is the number 9 is? Here. So shall I match like this? You can use your scale to draw this matching line. 15. Where the 15 number is there? You check it. Here is the number 15. So 12. Where is the number 12? Here is the number 12. So shall I match like this? Next 28. Where is the number 28? Here. So I am just matching it 28. Next 20. Where is the number 20? Here. So shall I match here? Yes. Next 18. Where is the number 18? Here. So shall I match like this? Yes. 35. Where is the number 35? Here the number 35 is. So shall I match like this? Yes. 27. Where is the number 27? Here. So shall I match like this? So this is how you should match. First you are finding the finding the Hindu-Arabic numeral from this Roman numerals. Then easily you can match it using the scale and pencil. Understood? Next is your second question. Write the Hindu-Arabic numerals for the following. So what you are just going to do is, here Roman numeral is given. We are going to write the Hindu-Arabic numeral. That keep it in your mind. Now, what I told you, you can take a pencil in your hand and you should write answers of these questions in your textbook. Okay. Now, X stands for 10. X stands for 10. Next X stands for 10. I stands for 1. X stands for 10. Okay. Listen. Here all 10. After that small number comes, then greater number comes. I told you if small number and a greater number comes, what we should do? You should subtract it. So first 10 and all it is coming as usual. Like greater number only it is coming. So you can add it. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus, listen, here alone this change is coming because smaller number, greater number is coming here alone. So what I am just doing is I am subtracting greater number minus smaller number. Next, 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 minus 1, 9. So 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 9, 39 is the answer. Listen carefully. This 10 is coming as usual, but suddenly here smaller number come and greater number come. I told you this smaller number comes and greater number comes. You should subtract this greater number and this smaller number. So this and all as usual will add, plus you will put and you will subtract these two alone. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 9, 39. Okay. Next, B. What is the value of V? 5. So you can write it directly. Okay. Next, X. X stands for 10. X stands for 10. X stands for 10. So if this number comes 10 plus 10 plus 10, you can directly add it because there is no smaller number here. Everything is a bigger number. So you can directly add it. 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. Okay. So 30 is my answer. Next, D question. XVI. X stands for 10. V stands for 5. I stands for 1. Okay. Now, whether it is in descending order? Yes. 10, 5, 1. So, I told you if it is in descending order, what you should do? You can add it. 10 plus 5 plus 1. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. So, this is how if there is a negative, if there is a lesser number and a smaller number, only that cases you will subtract it. Other cases all you will add it. Okay, just keep this in your mind and do the problem. Next is your E question. What's the E question? X, X, I. What's the E question? X, X, I. What's the X stands for? 10. X stands for 10. I stands for 1. So, is this in descending order? Yes. 10, 10, 1. So, what you will do? 10 plus 10 plus 1. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. So, 21 is the answer. Okay. So, next, F question. F question is what? X. What is the value of X? 10. So, you all should know what is the value of I, V, X, L, C, D, M. Only then you can directly find the answers of these questions. Understood? Your G and H question is your homework. Okay, children? Next is your third question. Which of the following are wrong? Okay, they are given few following questions and in that you are going to check which is wrong, and if it is wrong you can mark cross in that. If it is correct you can put tick in that. Okay, that is what our question is. Okay, which of the following are wrong? Mark cross. Okay, V means 5. Okay, about 5 plus 5, 10. But 10 already we have X, right? So, why don't we put this number VV? So, it is wrong. Okay, listen, 5 plus 5, 10. 10 already there is a constant symbol X. So, we should not replace this X with VV. So, VV is wrong, X is correct. So, you can put cross. It is wrong. So, this is wrong. A is wrong. I. 1 plus 1 plus 1 because I stands for 1, another I stands for 1 and another I stands for 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. Actually for 3 you will write like this only, no? Yes, so it is correct. So this is wrong and this is correct. Next, VI. C option VI. V stands for 5. I stands for 1. So here what it is there? Greater and smaller. Greater, smaller means you will add it. 5 plus 1, 6. So when you are writing 6 you will write like this only, no? So this is correct. Okay, this is correct. Okay. Next. So you can write here for in this dash you can put tick. No need to write this 3. Okay. You can write 3 here and you can put tick in this box. Here also you can put tick. XV. Okay, what is X stands for? 10. V stands for 5. So, how you will write? It is in descending order, right? So, 10 plus 5, 15. So, for 15 you will write like this only. So, what you can put? You can put tick here in this box, in this dash. Next, E and F question is your homework. Okay. So, what is the G question? XVI. Whether this is correct or not, we should check. X stands for 10. V stands for 5. I stands for 1. So, is this in descending order? Yes. So, what you will do? 10 plus 5 plus 1. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. So, 16 it is coming correctly. So, it is correct. Okay. Next, VX. V what stands for 5. X stands for 10. Here 5 is smaller, 10 is greater. So if this is a case, what you should do? Smaller greater comes, what you should do? You should subtract greater minus smaller. 10 minus 5 because 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5 is 5 already we have V symbol, then why we want to use this symbol? So it is wrong. Okay, this is how you should check whether it is correct or not. Okay children, so you can copy all these questions in your textbook using pencil. Okay children, today's class we have discussed exercise 1F. In that, first 3 problems were discussed today. We have converted the Roman numeral to Hindu-Arabic numerals, and few problems I have given as homework from those first, second and third problem. I hope you all understood children. Thank you.